Does one need a joint sponsor for their family petition?
Yes, yeah. Just to go in the background, whenever you
Yeah.
file a petition, family petition, you have to do something called an affidavit of support. In order to meet the requirement of the affidavit of support, you have to meet something else called the poverty guidelines. The State Department and the USCIS publishes that every year. If you Google it, you Google it online, you should be able to get that. So you have to meet the what we they call the poverty guidelines. And if you don't meet the poverty guidelines, then you will need a joint sponsor to make sure that you qualify for that. And unfortunately, there's no way to tell until we look at how many people are dependent on you. You can look at the chart. If you have three people dependent, you have to include also the new person that you're petitioning for and the number of people you're petitioning for, and that will give you the total. And then you can look at the chart, the table, and then from that you can deduct if you meet the poverty guideline. If you don't, then you need the joint sponsor also to meet the poverty guideline. And that's one of the things that people uh, don't understand, is that they just think they get a joint sponsor, it will work. But the joint sponsor have to meet their own poverty guideline plus those people they're petitioning for. So
Oh.
when you add this together, sometimes it makes you have to make enough money to be able to bring your siblings, your parents, or your spouse to the United States. So
Mm.
this is the requirements. If you don't meet the poverty guideline, yes, you can use a joint sponsor. The joint sponsor can be anybody as long as they are green card holders or U.S. citizens. I've seen in cases they kind of accept H-1Bs, but this is not recommended. Try to get someone who's a green card holder or U.S.
Yeah.
citizen, and they don't have to be related to you.
Oh, okay. They don't have to be related to you. That's good.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
because we're talking only about financial support here,
Yeah.
not relationship support.
Uh-huh. Okay. So poverty guidelines or not, you need to be proactive and call the Shapir Ali Law Group for advice on any and all immigration issues. Visit peerallylaw.com. That's peerallylaw.com for more information, or call them 510-742-5887 to schedule your consult. And Attorney on Air is the YouTube channel you want to subscribe to if you want to be current on all matters of immigration. More critical updates with veteran attorney Shah Peerally coming up in just a bit. Stay with us, please, on Mirchi. It's hot.